And yes, I think we've got the neck up.
Well, yeah, we brought wing walking back to America in 1975 from the old days, and we did it, we got dispensation to do it freestyle, moving about the aircraft.
Now look at this, here they go. Look, ladies and gentlemen, these are not goals, they're not look at that leg action, absolutely amazing, Sarah.
It's absolutely incredible. If everyone could wave to the wing walkers, because they really...
On the top, there they are, the smoke is on. What fantastic smoke. Big climb up. What are they going to do? Oh my goodness me, the girls are upside down. They started the right way up, now they're upside down.